Wow.
For this, I'm going to sing.
Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cross.x TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Please don't forget to always check the notification button for all our news updates. Today's update is about a beautiful olori, Oloritemitope, ogunwusi, ìyàwó Ọba Ọjájá second, Ooni of Ife. Yes, we all saw the video when Oloritemitope got married to Ooni of Ife. She's from Ijebuland. We also heard that from what we heard that she's also from a royal family from Ijebuland, and we all know that she's successful. She's a businesswoman. She's an entrepreneur. She's doing well for herself, and I'm so happy for her. She's very classy and just always going on her own. But now, gbege don happen o. Hey, hey. Oloritemitope finally, she has adopted set of twins, beautiful babies. From what we saw, all this royalty, they have their media that post all their events. Yeah, we saw the caption that Oloritemitope has gone to adopt set of twins, and I'm happy for her because gbogbo náà la mọ̀ pé orí ọmọ ló ń pọmọ wáyé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, and and I'm sure those twins will be enjoying because àwo wà lé na ẹrù wà lẹ̀. Please drop a comment down below. I'm sure those twins will enjoy because sometimes it's always good to release these children for adoption if you cannot take care of them, and when you see people that can afford it, why not just let it go? Then maybe contract lè wá wà pé okay, look, tọmọ yẹn bá ti dé certain age, àwọn máa fẹ́ meet ọmọ wọn, so that ọmọ ò ní máa ráre, wọn ní máa jìyà. And I'm so in love more with Oloritemitope, what she has done, and she has ó ti tún kọ́ àwọn ọmọ yẹn mọ́ra, and I'm sure she will give them the best of best. We all know that she's doing well for herself. Please drop a comment. What do you think? She's doing well for herself, so definitely Oloritemitope is going to give them the best, and you can see the joy in her face, when she carried the baby. You can see the joy in her face. She visited the hospital. See the way she held the baby. Oh my goodness, oh my God, you can see her expression. Oh, she's such a sweet woman, and I'm sure the woman there too will be happy. The mother of the twins, their biological mother, will be happy. Ọmọ yẹn ti bọ́ sínú ọlá nìyẹn. And wait a minute let's go back to our queen of the coin. You know what I mean? The sweet, juicy, excellency, classic queen, Queen Naomi. I hope all these our olori are not following Queen Naomi's step. We all know that when Queen Naomi too was in the palace, she went to the hospital. Mama náà gbá wọn twins. So now we have seen Oloritemitope doing the same thing. Ejo, what's going on? Are they trying to follow Queen Naomi back to back or what? Or she's just doing it out of, okay, fine, I have I have affection for twins. I want to help their mother. You can see her here too, the way she's talking to the mother. Oh my God, she's really happy. And in the caption, we read it. I'm going to show you. You're going to see that Ooni of Ife, Queen Temitope, excited as she adopts a set of twins. So I'm happy for her. Congratulations. Orí ọmọ náà ló ń pọmọ wáyé. And on our platform, anyone looking for the fruit of the womb, I pray God will bless you with twins, triplets, anyhow you want it. God will bless you. Oh, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Drop a comment down below. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you.